In the vast universe, there are places where light cannot escape, where space and time are distorted beyond recognition. These are black holes, cosmic monsters full of secrets. But what if black holes are not just the ultimate end? What if, instead of being cosmic traps, they are actually gateways to another place, another world, or even another universe? Today we embark on a journey to explore the boldest theories about black holes. Could they be the path to the farthest reaches of space and time? And is there a way to travel through a black hole and survive? Let's unravel the mysteries of the universe right now. The universe is far more immense than we can ever comprehend. Among billions of galaxies and countless stars, there exist entities so mysterious that they defy every law of physics we know. Giant cosmic maelstrom, where even light cannot escape. We call them black holes. But what if black holes are not just cosmic destroyers? What if they are actually gateways through space and time, leading to another place in the universe, or perhaps even to another universe entirely? Could this really be possible? Imagine flying into a black hole. What would happen? Would you be crushed into nothingness? Or could you emerge somewhere completely different in the cosmos? And if black holes truly are portals, then what lies on the other side? Black holes are more than just scientific mysteries. They could be the key to unlocking doors that no one has ever stepped through. Perhaps, somewhere out there, advanced civilizations have already figured out how to use them for intergalactic, or even interdimensional, travel. Black holes, monstrous cosmic devourers, or hidden gateways through the fabric of the universe. Let's dive deep into this enigma right now. Before we can understand whether black holes are portals, we need to grasp their true nature. A black hole is not just a hole in space. It is a region where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. At the center of every black hole lies a singularity, a point where all known laws of physics break down completely. Space and time curve infinitely, creating an unknown and uncharted realm. But what really happens when an object falls into a black hole? Is it destroyed forever? Or could it reappear somewhere else in the universe? If the universe is a grand stage, then black holes are its most enigmatic characters. Invisible monsters with gravitational forces so immense that not even light can escape them. But how are these cosmic beasts born? And what happens when something gets too close? Black holes are created from the death of massive stars. When a star at least 20 times the mass of our Sun reaches the end of its life, it can no longer withstand its own gravity. It collapses in a violent supernova explosion, leaving behind an incredibly dense core, a black hole. But what makes black holes so terrifying? The answer lies in the event horizon, the invisible boundary where everything, including light itself, is doomed to fall in. Once an object crosses this point, there is no coming back. Gravity is simply too strong. So what would happen if you got too close? According to physics, time itself slows down for you relative to an outside observer. The closer you get, the more you stretch, until you are pulled apart into long, thin strands of atoms in a process scientists call spaghettification. But here's where things get even stranger. A black hole isn't actually a hole at all. It is a singularity, a point in space where gravity becomes infinitely strong, and all known laws of physics break down. What happens inside? No one knows, because no information can escape to tell the tale. Black holes come in various sizes. Some are just a few times the mass of our Sun, but others are absolute giants, supermassive black holes weighing millions or even billions of times more. These monsters sit at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. In 2019, humanity made history by capturing the first ever image of a black hole, M87, a behemoth 6.5 billion times the mass of our Sun, located 55 million light-years away. It was a groundbreaking proof that black holes are not just theoretical but very real. Asterisk. But this is just the beginning. Some scientists believe black holes are more than just cosmic traps. They could be gateways to another part of the universe or even to an entirely different reality. Is this possible? Let's find out next. For decades, scientists have considered a bold hypothesis. If an object could pass through a black hole without being torn apart, could it emerge somewhere else in the universe? This leads us to the idea of wormholes, tunnels through space that might connect two distant points in the universe. The theory of wormholes suggests that if a black hole were connected to a white hole, a theoretical entity that expels matter instead of consuming it, then they could form a tunnel through spacetime. If this is true, black holes are not just death traps. They could be gateways to an entirely different region of space, or even another universe. For centuries, black holes have been seen as terrifying voids, consuming everything in their path. But what if we've been looking at them the wrong way? Instead of being cosmic traps, could they actually be gateways to another realm? Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity tells us that black holes don't just pull things in, they drastically warp space and time. If space itself can be curved, could black holes serve as shortcuts through the universe? This idea led to the concept of wormholes, tunnels through spacetime that could, in theory, connect distant parts of the universe almost instantly. Imagine a spaceship entering a black hole and emerging light years away in a completely different part of the cosmos. But there's a problem. Traditional physics suggests that the immense gravity inside a black hole would crush anything that enters. However, some scientists propose that not all black holes are the same. What if, instead of a crushing singularity, some black holes lead to an exit point, a white hole? A white hole is the opposite of a black hole. Instead of pulling everything in, it pushes everything out. If black holes and white holes are linked, they could form a natural cosmic bridge, a portal across time and space. Some physicists believe that advanced civilizations, if they exist, may have already discovered a way to use black holes as portals. Could this be how extraterrestrial beings travel vast cosmic distances? But here's the biggest mystery: if black holes are truly gateways, where do they lead? Are they shortcuts to distant galaxies, or doors to entirely new universes? In the next part, we'll explore the mind-blowing theories of multiverses and interdimensional travel. If black holes are truly gateways, the next question is, where do they lead? Some scientists believe that black holes may not just connect points within our own universe, but could also serve as portals to other universes. This idea is based on the multiverse theory, the concept that our universe is just one of many parallel realities. If true, then every black hole could be an entrance to an alternate reality where the laws of physics are completely different. For centuries, we've believed that the universe is all there is. But what if black holes are more than just cosmic phenomena? What if they are gateways, not just through space but into entirely different universes? The idea that we live in a multiverse, a vast collection of parallel universes, sounds like science fiction. But some of the greatest physicists, including Stephen Hawking, have suggested that black holes could be the key to proving its existence. The idea that we live in a multiverse, a vast collection of parallel universes, sounds like science fiction. But some of the greatest physicists, including Stephen Hawking, have suggested that black holes could be the key to proving its existence. Some theories suggest that when matter is pulled into a black hole, instead of being crushed into nothingness, it could emerge in a completely new universe with different physical laws. This means that black holes could be the cosmic architects of new realities. If this is true, then every time a black hole forms, a new universe is created. Could our own universe be the result of a black hole that once existed in another cosmos? Are we living inside the event horizon of an ancient black hole from another dimension? The idea of black holes as bridges between universes is one of the most mind-bending theories in modern physics. But if true, it means that somewhere beyond the event horizon of a black hole, another version of reality may exist. Could we ever prove this theory? In our final section, we explore what the future of black hole research holds and whether we will one day unlock their secrets. Whether or not black holes are truly gateways, studying them remains one of humanity's greatest scientific challenges. We have captured the first image of a black hole, but what's next? Could we one day send a spacecraft near a black hole to explore its secrets? Scientists are developing more advanced technologies to better understand black holes. One day we might discover a way to harness their energy, or even find a safe method to travel through them. If that happens, the door to new worlds may finally open before us. Black holes have fascinated and terrified us for centuries. They are cosmic enigmas, so powerful that they bend space and time itself. But the biggest question remains: will we ever know what truly lies beyond the event horizon? Over the last few decades, we've made incredible strides in understanding these cosmic giants. The Event Horizon Telescope gave us our first ever image of a black hole, confirming what Einstein predicted over a century ago. But this is only the beginning. In the near future, scientists plan to create even sharper images of black holes using advanced telescopes and space-based observatories. With better technology, we may one day see inside the event horizon itself. Some researchers believe that sending a probe or even a manned mission to the edge of a black hole could answer some of the greatest mysteries of our universe. But would it survive the journey? And if black holes really are portals, could we ever build technology advanced enough to use them? One of the most promising fields of study is quantum physics. Theories like quantum gravity and holographic principles suggest that black holes might store information in ways we've never imagined. If we can decipher these mysteries, we may unlock the true nature of space, time, and even the multiverse. Black holes challenge everything we think we know about the universe. Are they cosmic prisons or interstellar gateways? Do they lead to new worlds or do they signal the end of all things? The truth is still beyond our reach, but perhaps in the not-so-distant future, we will finally unlock the ultimate secret of black holes. One thing is certain, black holes are not just the end of a journey. They may be the beginning of something far greater than we ever imagined. Black holes are among the greatest enigmas of the universe, mysterious, powerful, and full of secrets we have yet to uncover. From cosmic devourers to potential gateways through space-time, they challenge our understanding of reality itself. Over the past century, we have moved from theoretical equations to real images of these celestial giants. Yet, the most profound questions remain unanswered. What truly happens beyond the event horizon? Can black holes transport us across space and time? And could they be the key to proving the existence of the multiverse? Some theories suggest that black holes are more than just destructive forces. They could be cosmic birthplaces, leading to new universes beyond our comprehension. If this is true, then black holes are not just the end of something, but the beginning of something far greater. As we advance in space exploration and quantum physics, the answers may not be as unreachable as they once seemed. Perhaps one day we will develop technology capable of unlocking the true nature of black holes, and with it, the deepest mysteries of the universe. For now, black holes remain one of the greatest unsolved puzzles of science, a challenge for future generations to decode. But one thing is certain, as long as we continue to look up at the stars and ask questions, we are one step closer to unraveling the ultimate mystery of the cosmos. Black holes remain one of the universe's greatest mysteries, a phenomenon that challenges everything we know. Are they truly the end of existence, or could they be the beginning of something far greater? One thing is certain, they will continue to inspire some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the future.